Sparrows by K.A. Abbas. K.A. Abbas was born in Panipat, Haryana. He is famous as a film producer and director, as a journalist and writer of short stories. This short story is a powerful illustration of how the character of people changed to good or bad, and life itself became bitter, and the reformation comes very late. So, when talking about the summary of the story, the narration of the events in the story moves from the present to the past and again to the present to make the picture complete. Rahim Khan was looked upon with fear and hatred by the village people. He was a very cruel man and treated his wife and children harshly. His two sons ran away to escape from his cruelty. One evening, when he came home with his oxen, a neighboring woman told him that his wife had gone to her brother's house. Rahim Khan was sure that she had run away like her sons and would never return. He did not feel hungry and decided to go without food. For the first time in 30 years, he felt lonely. He had beaten his wife and ill-treated her. At last, she became impervious to his cruel treatment. When she was gone, Rahim Khan felt great loneliness. In his young days, Rahim Khan was a simple man. A circus company came to the village. He wanted to join it. He was also in love with Radha, Ramcharan's daughter. His father was against both his ambitions. Circus was below their dignity, and to marry a girl outside their caste was prohibited. After a few weeks, Radha was married to a pot-bellied, middle-aged Banya. Rahim Khan had to submit to his father and marry a girl against his will. From that day onward, Rahim Khan started wreaking his vengeance on his family and wife. He never spoke a word of love, but ill-treated his two sons who ran away. At last, his wife also had run away. For one day, Rahim Khan did not go to work on the field. He saw some cobweb in a corner. He was removing the cobweb when he saw a nest and two sparrows fluttering. Inside the nest were two newly born sparrows. He did not disturb them. The next day, after his usual work, he settled on his cot to rest and looked upon the antics of the sparrow. Soon they became his friends. He became soft-hearted. The neighbors were surprised at his change. One evening, the sparrows did not come out. It was raining and water trickled through the roof into their cage. They sat huddled up. Rahim Khan took a ladder and mended the roof. The rain was pouring down and he was sneezing. The next morning he lay with high fever. For a week he lay there looking at the sparrows. The village people brought his wife and children. They knocked at the door, but he lay dead on his cot. The sparrows had changed his unkind nature. So this was about all the theme of the story, and thank you for listening.